Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about Herkimer Diamond, the Stone of Attunement. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your curiosity and support. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today, we're going to be talking about Herkimer diamonds. Herkimer diamonds are quartz crystals. They are not diamonds, but they are very distinctive shape as they have a point on both ends. And they're rather small. They can be very tiny or even about the size of a baseball as well. And these are mined in Herkimer, New York. That's where they were originally found, although they can be found in other places in the world right now. I love Herkimer diamond. I adore their energy. It's so crisp, it's so cleansing and so clear. And I'm wearing Herkimer diamond earrings right now. I have a Herkimer diamond ring. I have a lot of jewelry with Herkimer diamonds because it just really keeps my energy feeling clear and cleansed and really open. This is a gemstone that I highly recommend getting some to have it with you when you need it. And one of the first benefits of incorporating Herkimer diamond, the Stone of Attunement, into your daily life is that it helps to awaken your intuition and psychic abilities. Now, this is a common benefit from many crystals and gemstones, and I think you've heard it probably in the last couple of videos, but Herkimer diamond is a very powerful awakener and strengthener of intuition and psychic abilities. It quickly helps you attune your body, mind, emotions, and spirit so that they are opened and cleansed to help you use spiritual knowledge. This allows you to quickly access both your inner wisdom and your higher guides so that you can use them both for the very best and optimum spiritual guidance. Now, meditating and sleeping with Herkimer diamonds will help to open, activate, and clear your entire chakra system so that you have a really strong and open connection to spiritual knowledge. This is an excellent tool, great jewelry to wear if you are a spiritual student or a spiritual teacher or someone who works with their intuitive abilities on a regular basis. So if you are a medium, a channel, a tarot reader, someone who uses their intuitive abilities to provide a service for others, then having Herkimer diamond with you is really beneficial as it keeps your intuition strong, activated, and keeps the channel open for external guidance and communication. So the second benefit of Herkimer diamond is that it helps you use spiritual learning in your daily life. So this helps you take all of your spiritual reading, classes, practices, and learn how to incorporate them in your daily life. How do you actually use your spiritual knowledge to improve your daily life? So, as I mentioned before, this is an excellent tool for spiritual students who will be learning and taking in spiritual knowledge, like if you're reading books, if you're going to classes, if you're learning practices, if you're working with a teacher, this will help you absorb that spiritual knowledge be able to talk about it and discuss it easier and see how it applies to your everyday life and the situations that you find yourself in. If you're a spiritual teacher, then Herkimer Diamond helps you communicate it in a way that your students can really absorb it and understand it. So this is an excellent tool. If you are learning or you're teaching, then wearing or keeping Herkimer Diamond with you will help you absorb and access that knowledge really easily. So the third benefit of using Herkimer Diamond in your everyday life is for past life and karmic work. In my clear quartz video, I did talk about how quartz is a gemstone that is said to hold memory. And using Herkimer Diamond will help you access and remember your past lives better, to help you understand the issues that you're dealing with in your current life now that stem from past life issues or from karmic consequences from past life contracts that you've been involved with. This helps you access that information, process it, and learn where it might be blocking you in life. If it's blocking your life development due to a phobia or a really deep-seated belief that is halting your progress, or if there's something that is blocking or slowing your spiritual practice, then Herkimer Diamond will help you recall that and be able to process it so that these are no longer holding you back in life. This helps to cleanse and dissolve any kind of karmic residue that might be left from old past life issues or old soul contracts. Because even when we've worked through some of our life learning, there is always sometimes, great phrase, there can be residue of that left, an energy, a shadow of that left. And like a coffee pot that you've used over and over again, sometimes it leaves a little bit of coffee residue even after it's been cleaned with soap and water, and you need to give it a really good scrub or soak to get rid of that coffee residue so that you can have a nice, clean, clear coffee pot. That is what it's like to work with Herkimer Diamond. It just clears everything out that you no longer need to deal with, and it prevents it from holding you back. So the fourth benefit of working with Herkimer Diamond, and this is a very unique and powerful ability, is that it helps connect you with people who you're no longer near anymore. So if you know that you are going to be separated from someone that you care about, a sibling, a friend, a spouse, a significant other, and you still want to feel really connected, then Herkimer Diamond is said to develop an empathetic connection between two people so that you can know how the other person is feeling and still feel a strong connection and energy from that other person. So what you do is when you're together, you buy 2 Herkimer diamonds and you wear them, you carry them with you when you're together. And this programs and attunes these Herkimer diamonds to the energy that you emit when you're together. And then when you separate, then you each take one of the Herkimer diamonds and you hold that with you. You carry it with you so that you can still feel that connection. If you're really missing that person, then pick up and hold the Herkimer diamond so that you can feel like you're together again. And it is really important if you know that you're going to be apart from someone for a long time. Even if it's a couple of days, a couple of weeks, months, then this is something that can be really supportive and beneficial to you and help keep the emotional connection of that relationship strong and help you feel like they're there. So when you're missing them, that pain isn't quite so intense. Herkimer diamond is such a clear, crisp, cleansing, wonderful energy, and it really just wants to help you eliminate anything that is blocking you on your spiritual progress. It really wants to help move you along towards enlightenment, towards understanding, to your best and highest self. So if you're really interested in spiritual development, then having Herkimer diamond with you is extremely beneficial to your learning process, to your development. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about Herkimer diamond and how it can help you in your everyday life. And if you're interested in working with Herkimer diamond more, in 2 days I'll be posting a guided meditation with Herkimer diamond. And you don't need one of these crystals to benefit from the guided meditation. If you sit through the meditation and one of the situations that I've brought up really calls to you or triggers you, then that's a sign that you should get some Herkimer diamond and work with it some more. So if you're new to the channel and you're interested in exploring how crystals and gemstones can really support you in your everyday life situations, then I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post these videos to talk about the healing and supportive benefits of that gemstone. And then on Fridays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone energy. So don't forget to subscribe if you're interested and you don't want to miss a single gemstone video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again during the guided meditation.